Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. Alright, before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, because it super duper helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. Alright, so to draw Knuckles, I'm going to start by drawing his eyes. So his eyes are the same kind of shape as Sonic's, if you've ever drawn a Sonic. We go all the way up, and then we're going to do almost like a little hook here, and then we're going to do the mirror image of what we just did. So a little hook, and then come all the way up, and then come on down. Okay? So it's a silly looking shape, but it'll work out in the end. Okay. So next we're going to do his nose, and it's going to be a little oval, and inside that little oval we're going to do another little oval, and then I'm going to color the first one in dark. So that second little oval we did is kind of like a little bit of light reflecting off his nose. Okay, now we're going to continue on with his nose here, or sorry, not the nose, but the mouth area. So we're going to come on up to where those little hooks are, and then come on down and bring down that little part of the eye a bit more. Okay, so now we're going to come on down a bit and curve the bottom of the mouth here, like that. And we're going to start giving Knuckles some of his signature, I guess it's not hair, it's not, I don't know what you call these. They always reminded me of like dreadlocks. I always kind of thought of them as hair, but whatever this is, we're gonna give him some of these. But before we do that, let's give him a little curve up here on top of the eye, and same over on this side. And let's finish up the eye by drawing the inside. So great big oval, same over here, great big oval, and on the inside we're going to do another oval, same over here, another oval, and the biggest part goes all dark. If you want to wait until the end, until when you're actually done the whole drawing, before you do any of the coloring, that's totally fine. It's all up to you whenever you want to do any bit of coloring whatsoever. I just find sometimes I like to have a little bit of the dark parts drawn in as I'm drawing sometimes. But it's all up to you. Okay. I'm going to make this a little littler. Had it too long. Okay, so now I'm going to give Knuckles a little bit of a smile. Like that. Nothing too big. Okay, now I'm going to draw one of those hairpiece, dreadlock kind of things over on this side. If you have any idea what this piece of him is called, let me know in the comments, please. Okay, and we're going to curve here, top of his head, and let's give him another one of those. And we'll have another one kind of poking out there behind. Alright, now we're starting to draw his torso. So we're just coming on down, and I'm going to put a line here. This is going to be part of his arm. So his arm is starting to curve out. Alright, so I'm making this little curve part of his gloves. So I'm going to come on down a little bit, and he's got a little thumb here. Now from there, we are going to do two triangle kind of shapes here, and these are, of course, his knuckles. The knuckles that are kind of poking out of his gloves. And we'll do a line here. So now we've got that arm done. And I'm just gonna put a little line here, just like for a little bit of shoulder. Right over here, I'm gonna give him his other glove, his other hand. So I'm gonna have it going this direction. So his knuckles are gonna be like on this side, the two pointy parts. So he's gonna have his thumb right here. And we're gonna have one pointy knuckle there, come on down a little bit, and another pointy knuckle there. And so I'm going to connect that with the arm here and another line. So we've got two arms done now. And Knuckles has a white ring on him, just a white ring shape. So let's put that in. Okay. And now the bottom here. He needs, obviously, his two legs. All right, so right here, we're gonna start part of his shoe, but we're not gonna have his full shoe here because it's gonna kind of be cut off there by the end of the page. So we just got a little bit of shoe here, like that, and the other leg. So it's poking out here. And do a little line like this, and then same as we did a moment ago for the other part of the shoe here. Oh, and Knuckles has a little tail like that, and I'm gonna give him a few more of these hair kind of like pieces. And like I said, if you know what these are actually called, please let me know, because I clearly don't know what they're called. And now here on the part of his shoe here, we've got like a rectangle kind of shape. And I always kind of thought of this part, he's got some like circles here. I always kind of thought this part kind of looked like a Lego piece. Anybody else kind of see that? Gave me Lego vibes. And then we're gonna put a line there and a little line like that there, and one there for the bottom of the shoe. Here, little line and a little line. And there you have it, folks. We are done sketching out Knuckles, but I'm gonna add some color. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of Knuckles. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, 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 really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.